Kipsters, and welcome back to Miss Jones's Math Corner. Question 1. George made banana bread for his family. He cut the bread into 10 pieces. After breakfast, there were 4 pieces of banana bread left. Write the number of pieces of banana bread left as a fraction and as a decimal. Take this time to pause the video and answer in the comments below. All right. So just to help us refresh our memories, here is a decimal place chart value. So anything that is to the right of the decimal has the THS at the end. Tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. And then anything that is a whole number, whole part, is to the left of the decimal. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. All right, so we know that George had 10 pieces of banana bread. He gave out enough pieces to his family, so he was only left with 4 pieces left. So that would give us a fraction of 4 tenths. If we were to look at a decimal, because it is tenths, the decimal would be the decimal would go right in front of the 4, and this is the tenths place value. 4 tenths, 4 tenths. George has 4 tenths or 4 tenths of banana bread left. Question 2. Miss Jones ran 8 tenths of a mile for 1 week, 7 days. How many total miles did Miss Jones run that week? Write your answer as both a fraction and a decimal. All right, so here we know that Miss Jones ran 8 tenths of a mile every day. But she ran for the whole week, so we need to add 8 tenths plus 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 8 tenths to get us how many miles she ran. Or instead of adding all those together, we can multiply times the amount of days she ran. I know she ran for 1 week, and 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. So I can multiply 8 tenths times 7. 7 times 8 tenths. 7 times 8 will give me 56. And do we multiply the bottom or the denominator part of the fraction? No, we don't. So now I have 56 tenths. I don't think we can leave the numerator bigger than the denominator. So what we need to figure out is how many times we can use 10 can go into 56. Okay, so let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Hold on. We went all the way up to 5. But 60 is larger than 56, so I don't think we could use 6. But I know we could use 5. So that will become my whole number. How many do we have left over after we use 50, which would be 6? And our denominator still stays the same, tenths. Jones ran 5 6/10 of a mile. Wow, she was really going. Okay, so we have our fraction, 5 6/10. Now we need to be able to write it in a decimal. So after reviewing our place value chart, I know that 5 goes in the ones place value. So I can write 5. And then I need to put my decimal down. And then I have my fraction of 6/10. I'm going to put 6 in the tenths place value, which will give me 5 6/10. Miss Jones ran 5 6/10 or 5 6/10 of a mile in a week. See you next time, Kipsters.